Right, good morning. Welcome back. Now, the style makeover on this for the front end is going to be like a Bonneville black. We're going to go with a black hub, a black rim, stainless spokes, black fork bottoms, gaiters, and black yoke and shrouds. So the whole front end will look like a Bonneville black, which is really cool, like the one we just had on the bench. So, starts with the yokes. Can't do anything until I put them back in. It needs new bearings and it needs the chromy lacquered corroded finish dealing with. So I'm going to take the bearings off the bottom yoke, blast up both yokes so they're nice and clean, and then give them a good coat of tough paint, 2 days to dry, and then new bearings fitted, and I can rebuild the yokes at least. Then we can move on to the forks. So let's get into it. Right, okay, ready to paint now. I'm going to answer the obvious question just very quickly. Why use paint stripper on these parts before you put them in the blast cabinet? Well, the blast media costs a lot of money. It's over £100 a tub, so the paint stripper gets the bulk of it off. And that means less contamination of your blast media, so it lasts longer. It's just economics. And the other reason is the paint stripper, whatever's left on there after you've done it, it softens that as well. Whatever's left is nice and soft, it just peels away as you saw. So it leaves a great etched finish ready for paint. Now I could mirror polish those and lacquer them, but that's not the look I'm going for. So they're going to get 3 coats of black. First of all, starting with a nice tack coat just to get a nice etch into it, and then 3 wet coats, job done. And as for my stand for painting today, well, use what you have. Right, I just about got away with that. Both of them, when they're in the rack there, they were sideways on, and it just started to develop a little sag in the paint because it's sideways on. Stand them upright, and that's completely disappeared on both yokes. So they're absolutely flat now, and they're going to dry perfect. Now that means also I've got enough paint on there, more than I probably should have done, but that'll be great. It will dry absolutely superb. I'll get a lovely satin sheen on that, on both of them, and it'll be a thick, resilient, chip-resistant coating that will last a lifetime. Really looking forward to assembling all this, but I can't do anything for 2 days. Every paint video finishes with the last stroke of the can, so that's it for now. Got to walk away from this, and 48 hours from now I'll come in, press the bearing onto the bottom yoke, press a couple of new bearings into the frame, then I can assemble these yokes, and then we can move on to the forks. So I'll see you for that. Thank you for watching. Take it easy, ride safe. I'll see you next time.